Good morning, it's 6 o'clock at morning and we are traveling today where? To danang. Alright, and eventually we arrived to Da Nang city in the central of Vietnam, and some people saying as Da Nang is the pearl of Vietnam. But we get here from Saigon by Vietjet. The tickets cost about $45.50 US. We did the check-in on the self-use kiosk, was very easy. Flight is only 1 hour 20 minutes approximately, which is really not so bad. We took the Grab from the Da Nang airport to our hotel, which we are staying very close to the ocean. We're gonna show you later on. It's cost you only 90,000 dongs, which is also like a few dollars. Everything is very easy, smooth and very affordable. Now we're gonna go to Starbucks, which is over there, because I have to edit video which we can watch tomorrow, of course. And our check-in is in 3 hours because it's very early still. And then we're gonna go back to the hotel, show you a little bit around and explore the Da Nang city. It's very beautiful and very nice breeze.
Honey, what are you doing?
Buying the Coke.
Oh my God.
Ah, why the money is not going? Okay, they have vending machines in Da Nang. My Coke is going on, so that's cool. But
so fancy.
We are actually next to the river. There's a beautiful river here in Da Nang. I'm gonna show you the river is actually not really dirty. I mean, of course, it's not maybe blue color of the water, but there is not so many rubbish or any stuff like this here. Any smell, no, nothing bad. It's actually pretty nice smell. You have a panorama of everywhere around. This hotel at the front is Novotel Hotel. But I don't know what is this building next to the Novotel, but actually this building looks pretty cool. Check this out. Come closer, you can show it to the people. And yeah, actually very nice. And also there is like a nice promenade, but not so many people, so that's pretty cool.
Hey, are you sponsored by Coca-Cola?
No, but Coca-Cola could sponsor that will help me with my travels, anyway. Over there is the Melia Hotel Wine Pearl. So that's mean as like a
Vin Pearl.
Vin Pearl, like a
Vietnam Pearl.
Vietnam Pearl, something like that. So cool. So many nice bridges and everything. You will see in the next upcoming days, everything from Da Nang.
Okay, now it's time to work for Damian. Meanwhile, I will stroll around to show you how it is. Oh, it's Christmas time. So we are in Starbucks. Quite many people are working. Here is in Da Nang, Vietnam. Ooh, overviewing the river. River view, they said. And yeah, some tourists here. Behind me is the building of Hilton. Wow. And that's the river, the bridge, and another hotels. Super cool.
Alright, it's already 2 o'clock. They let us check in, and this is our room for the next upcoming 3 nights in Da Nang. I will show you a little bit around in case maybe if you like it. So this is the room. Sayank enjoying on the sofa, the bed, and the working desk, which is very handy for me this time. The TV, the bathroom over here, and also the shower and the toilet. Very interesting concept with this Vestaffel on the middle, but makes more space actually. And look at this big window. This is actually so cool, overlooking directly the Da Nang beach and the ocean. And it's actually nothing at the front of us. So cool, this famous roundabout. Later we're gonna chill in this beach bars for sure. And look how the streets are actually empty and the beautiful weather is today. We're gonna enjoy and we're gonna show you around. Also this room is the corner room, so cool actually this time. The view is really nice. They also have a rooftop swimming pool, what we're gonna show you. And in case if you ask how much is the hotel room like this one in Da Nang right now, it's cost us about $48.50 US dollars. I think it's very, very affordable, very good value for money, especially with the view like this one.
Seriously?
Yes,
$50?
Yeah.
Wow.
But still in our budget, still in budget.
Wow. So cheap and so nice.
Good value, good value. It's really nice room. And this is the swimming pool situation with the rooftop view of the city and the ocean. Check this out. This is 15th floor, by the way, in case if you're interested. It looks pretty cool indeed. And you can have also view of the city on the other side. It's obviously like a bar here and the swimming pool overlooking the city side. And you can also go upstairs one floor for the sky view. So the swimming pool situation, this is like a bar, rooftop bar with the cool view. This is actually like a nearly 270-degree view. That's the city, rivers, and this is the ocean front. It could be even great if this beach will have a sunset, but it's sunrise one. But it's still okay. You have a really nice views everywhere around.
Okay, this room for $50, actually including the buffet breakfast. Smacznego kochanie. And yeah, quite busy in the morning.
So this is the place for the breakfast, as you can see, pretty nice with the view also and the buffet style. All included, not so bad at all, not so bad. This is the lobby at the front of the hotel. The name is, I forgot what's the name?
Stella Maris Hotel.
Stella Maris Hotel in the corner, just at the front of the roundabout, what you saw from our room. We also asked in the reception if we can rent the motorbike. So they rent the motorbike for 24 hours for 200,000 dongs. And we are heading now to the beach. Tomorrow we're gonna drive the motorbike here. Are you excited?
Yes, yes.
Let's have a look what
Let's
is
go
outside.
to the beach then.
Let's have a walk on the beach and let's see what is around. Look at the streets of Danang. They are like very wide and very empty like. So nice weather, by the way, and we are going to the beach to these bars, hoping to having some drink. And let's have a look how's the beach. That's the nice promenade. And it's pretty empty like. So, yeah.
So wide road.
We don't
And
have
look-
the wide roads like this in Bali, huh?
No, and look at this one. The asphalt quality also very nice. Very
So
nice
cool.
road.
So
And
cool indeed.
wow, this is like, I don't know, I watch too much American movies, just like Miami in Florida. Am I correct?
Or Hawaii
Or
somewhere.
Hawaii.
Oahu Island or something like that. But
Wow.
well, Vietnam have, you know, they taking the concept from them, you know. Let's have like these hats for the lifeguard hat is taken from the concept from them. And let's have a look to the beach. Check this out. It's very actually clean. It's high tide, I guess, but it's very clean. And this promenade with these coconut trees all looks cool. And also, if you ask us how's the temperature, it's hot. It's about 28, 30 degrees. But you can feel that little bit chill breeze from the ocean. Yes, Sayang?
Yeah.
It's actually pretty nice, pretty enjoyable. And there are some bars already open. Last time when I was here was only one bar open, but now seems like all of them they are open. Let's see what they're selling there. And that's the nice hot bars. Sayang, what do you think about this one? It's so cute, yeah?
So nice. It's very, what I can say, very clean, and they really organize it. Really well organized.
Oh,
no?
they're selling something here. We can have even some snack here. And there's looking for some coffee and stuff. Also, in case if you ask, last time I stayed in the hotel summer over there, but that was in April this year. Honey, what do you have now?
Coconut, fresh coconut.
Look at this little tiny coconut. Is it nice? Does it taste good? But check this out. They have even carving with the name. So cool. These little bars on the beach are nice. We are sitting, of course, in the shed, and that's the beach situation. Also, there are some people already here. Now you are open this,
The guy opened it for me.
and you're gonna eat this?
Yes, the
Check
coconut.
this out. But I think it's already dry, Saya.
Oh, this is like. Oh yeah. Thank you,
Not
thank you.
This one will be
good.
easier for you, Saya.
Yes. So
But this is already
it.
like a harder coconut.
Yes. So good.
So nice. Check this out. Coconut trees and the beach. So nice. So Winnie is enjoying her coconut. I want to show you a little bit of the beach over here. So many nice, beautiful coconuts. Slightly more people than I was here last time. What is also very interesting here, you have like a free gym equipment, like this lovely couple is training over here. And sunset is gonna be on the other side. Actually, this is Sunrise Beach. So at morning actually must be very cool here as well. Probably if I'm gonna wake up here at morning, I'm gonna show you next upcoming days, tomorrow, after tomorrow. And also one interesting fact here is that, as of course, it's very clean. They have a rubbish bin bags here, and they have a toilet here. Toilet and shower, so actually you can come and have a shower when you are swimming on the beach. So cool. So that's a little bit of the beach situation. Some people enjoying their time, beautiful. It's actually very clean, and I like the coconut trees. Well, they are very everywhere actually around. And still not that busy when I was last time, was similarly, and now it's still like that. There is some guy driving a motorbike on the beach, some ladies running, there is some photo session, and overall that's like this. Sayang, what do you think? You wanna go to the beach, have a walk?
Let's go!
Let's go, let's have a walk a little bit. Sayang, now imagine as we have that's white, clean and white sand beaches with not so many people around, especially trying to sell you anything, but especially clean in Bali, huh?
That is called paradise, but now I don't know what to say. But just enjoy.
Just enjoy the moment. Also, I think it's the high tide today.
Okay, honey, if we see from the tide, it's quite high tide, and it said that no swimming here. I think this beach is probably good for people who are surfing, but seems like there are no surfers here either. But look at the sand, so soft, very soft and so clean.
And this is already the Mike Beach. Seems like slightly more alive. This is like a central location in Danang Beach. Danang Beach is very long. I will show you a little bit what is at the front of us. So there is like a food truck. There are some people already enjoying here. Also saw quite many international visitors here. I think they are vlogging right now or making pictures. Local people enjoying their time in the water. Also, this is the city view. There's like a main junction here. You can find some restaurants, some other tourists. Definitely much more alive here. Definitely seems like people enjoying their time. And this is the part of the beach where you can swim, because previously you cannot swim in this part. But here seems okay. People enjoying their time. So cool. This little building is pretty nice. And the beach overall situation. And Winnie is doing here. Sayang, what are you looking, Sayang?
Well, basically that I saw that there is a surfboard and lesson. So it is a surf school actually. And then what I'm thinking is correct. So this beach is more good. I mean, it is more for the surfers, if we can see that from the tide, from the wave. But seems like that there are no surfers. I don't know.
There are some nice looking food trucks also here. As you can see, they're having some snacks and drinks. Actually, this beach is slightly more alive, isn't it, Saya?
Yes. So
Seems like so many tourists here.
many tourists here because many food vendors, you know.
Exactly.
Even like they are selling beers and
Yeah.
pizza by the beach.
Pizza, Sayang?
And you see that people are more chilled here, you know, like what I can say. In Vietnam, the beer price, if compared with Bali, is much, much cheaper.
That's true. This is like a little stall, little food truck. It seems like it's really not so bad here. Really nice. Sayang, how do you enjoying Vietnam so far?
I really enjoyed my time. I mean, like, some people thinking that, you know, going to Vietnam
Thank you.
for holiday. Thank you.
Thank you.
And even my family are worried at the beginning, what are you gonna do there, you know? But yeah, I really enjoy it. It's really nice place to visit. Thing about this beach is actually there are no beach sellers who are trying to sell you something and harassing you and pushing you. You have to buy it. But here we just, you know, having our time, enjoying the beach, enjoying the breeze. So nice. This is really holiday for me. And here what I can see that the type of tourists where they are from their language, yeah. Mostly European and American. And I didn't hear somebody call Damian mate here.
Little bit different, isn't it?
Yes.
Meanwhile, people enjoying their time by the beach. And we are waiting for our pizza, having a Mirinda. We don't have it. Long time I didn't drink this one.
Okay, so our food arrived. So we order one pizza, 2 drinks, and you see this one, pepperoni pizza, French fries, and drinks, $227. So how much is it, honey?
So it's about $9 US, about 140,000 rupiah, something like that.
Look at this big pizza, so cheap lah.
Moving a little bit more forward, and we found here like a beach bar, beach club, something vibe. Not so bad.
But it's not as loud as beach club in Bali.
Of course.
And the music more chill, you know, under the coconut tree, more tropical vibes, and so nice.
Actually very tropical vibe here, especially with this coconut trees, promenade and all of these lights. That's so cool. And of course on the other side of the street you can find so many hotels actually everywhere around. Plenty options. Now is the time for going for some shopping. We arrived to the city center of Da Nang. We're gonna go to the big C supermarket, super shop. Let's see what is inside. Never been.
Yeah, because I read that in one digital nomad group, if you are going to Vietnam and if you want to do a shopping with a cheaper price, with the local price, just go to the big C.
Big C. So they're not gonna rip us off with the tourist prices then. Let's go. Honey, definitely you should get yourself the cut like this. That's good for the money, you know? Yeah, let's go up for the supermarket first. Anyways, this is the first floor of the big C, and I can see also you can find the merchandises here, souvenirs probably with the fixed price. But we are going for some shopping, right? From like groceries and stuff. Let's see first. This is some sort of tea. I don't know what is exactly. I got this also. Winnie is trying. Winnie likes the teas. And they have a cut. I will tell Winnie. I'm pretty sure I should get this stuff for Winnie. She really loves these cuts. Nice decorations, by the way. So this is the entrance to the big C. However, it's called Go-like, but it's big C for sure. And Sayang needs to leave the backpack here because of that's the rules here. Police, the lovely security officer said, "Oh, that's nice. I can see already so many nice goodies here."
So the thing is that all the staff here speaking English, so it means that many expats actually going shopping. So let's go. Let's
have a look. And as Winnie predicted, so many international people, so many expats living here with their local Vietnamese partners, I believe. So a lot of expats must living here actually. And also so much goodies. My eyes are everywhere. I just want to show you a little bit, don't want to get you too bored, but you can have a flowers, bouquet of flowers for $55, like a $2-3 for the flowers. You want flowers?
My flowers is
Check this out, you can have a durian cakes. Sayang, maybe this is nice for Ola for your mama. Durian cakes, interesting. So many small things for kids, what I have no idea what is it. What is so many of them, so cheap seems like, and so many people buying. Very interesting. Over here is my favorite section with the Coca-Cola, obviously. Gonna grab this one. Not sure how much is it, but I'm gonna take it anyways. This is $0. And for every beer lovers, they have a Taiga. This one for 99 dongs. That actually seems like kinda cheap in my opinion. I don't know. 24 cans of Tiger for 350,000 dongs. It's not so bad, I guess. Yes?
So my friend asked me in the office to buy a coffee, and I found that when we were in Bentan Market, half kilo is about 350,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
350,000. But here, only 350 gram is about 63.
Much better. Yeah, it's like $2.50, something like that. Not so bad, I guess. Not so bad. So this shop have 2 floors, but here you can find some food what you can eat, actually buy and eat directly. There are some seats everywhere around. So I found this one actually 333 is for 11,500 for everyone who are drinking. This is less than 50 cents. And the cider strongbow is like for 70 cents. Really not so bad for everyone who like the stuff like this. And you can find literally everything here from the literally everything. So much. These shops are huge.
Honey, what are you buying?
Just this strongbow. This is like a cider. I'm not drinking beer, but I like the fruit beers like a girl.
How much is it?
Nice. Like less than $1.
Oh.
If you like the beers, it's only like 50 cents. 50 cents.
Wow, much cheaper than Bali, yeah?
But the Saigon beer, original, Vietnamese, I don't know, Tiger is different. I think 333 is different. But this one, even less than 50 cents because it's 11,000. Unbelievable. And there's so much selection actually of this stuff here for everyone who like to drink. Our full shopping in Vietnam today. Let's see how much we're gonna pay for everything what you see on the belt. Coke, beers, water, chocolates, coffee, merch.
Honey, seems like you have a big shopping today. That's the biggest shopping.
Yeah, for all of this we paid 523 dongs, which is equivalent of around $21 for all of this. And the most expensive stuff actually, what was that? Your coffee as ole ole. So it's just really very nice, very nice. I think it's nice.
Oh, look at this. Okay, let's go home.
Let's go home. See you tomorrow.